In this video, I'm going to show you how to concatenate in Excel. So you have some data, good old state data, and you want to know all the states you're using, or whatever data you're using. We're going to do a good old equal concat. The long concatenate is, I believe, outdated. Just concat. I'm going to choose our text 1. We're just selecting the cells here. Close parentheses, hit enter, and boom. Now you notice there's no spacing between these. If you want spacing, we'll have to add that. It appears I was not paying attention. Look, now we have spacing. So that is how you concatenate cells in Excel. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Hope this helps somebody. If not, well, it's out there.